Okay, this is our Christmas party. Then this is Danza.
Hi, Kayla.
Hi, Sarah. Where do you want me to put this?
Just take it over there for now.
I know, it's really hard decorating. Oh, I forgot the song. I wonder how long this can go for. I feel like an Egyptian.
Kayla, you're not Egyptian.
We're allowed to have some fun while we're... Ow! Right, son. When we're decorating. That's always the thing.
That's always the key.
I love putting YouTube videos on.
Can you give me a piece of tape, please? Quick.
Yeah. Okay.
So we can go like maybe across the other way, and then we can do like it bolstered. Too big.
Find it.
I can't. I'll find it. Told you. We're friends.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Sarah, you should do my piece.
Hold on. One more?
Oh. Okay. Whoa. Okay, I have to go and do my teeth. See you guys later. Bye.